The second phase of the three-part construction effort at Bear River High School is right on schedule and should be ready to host classes when students return from summer break next fall. The new building will be home to administration offices, counseling offices, math and technology classrooms, and a large commons area.
This is the conference room.
One of the main things that students, teachers, and visitors to the school will notice is the numerous windows and skylights that will allow for plenty of natural light throughout the school.
How they used to have where you go into that's right through there.
Other additions include a dedicated dance room, a practice area for the wrestling team, a weight and exercise room, and a brand new visitors' locker room. Upgrades have also been made at the natatorium, which include more space for seating in the gym and the addition of locker rooms and a concession area. For The Leader, I'm Dave Archer.